Hey guys, Jagga here, and today we are doing a full face of nothing new. Products that I have and have had for a while. We're gonna use them. How about that? And we're gonna create this little look here. Something simple. So yeah, hopefully that interests you. Please, if you enjoy beauty videos and hauls, reviews, and such, please hit that subscribe button. It would make me very happy. Don't forget to hit that bell if you want to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation, and YouTube will alert you as soon as my videos go up. So yeah, with all that being said, now let's get started. Okay, so in this full face of nothing new, sorry, I have a heating pad on my lap to keep me warm because, well, I'm always cold in the winter. Okay, so in this full face of nothing new, I'm going to use the Profusion Naturals palette. Yeah, it's super dirty because, well, that's what happens when you play with makeup. Things get dirty. So yeah, let's first start with some prime. E.L.F. as usual. That's why this is called full face of nothing new. All right, so there we go. Now we're going to hop on into the Naturals palette, and we're gonna start with the color Doll. Right there. You did see that, right? Doll. Okay. So taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into Doll and put that on. So, what has been going on with you guys? Anything new? Not much ever goes on here unless it's bad. It's not true. That's not true. Some good stuff happens. I like so. Okay. And now I'm going to get another brush, a slightly less fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into attached. I'm going to go into attached. This beautiful color right there. And we're going to put that in the crease. That's, yep, Jack. That was the wrong one. Okay, try that again. Attached. Okay. Yes. So this is just going to be like a real neutral look, you know? You know? So tell me, ladies and gentlemen, have you gotten any new makeup? If you have, what was it? Did you like it? Tell me things. I want to know about you guys. Obviously, you guys know what's going on with me. I want to know what's going on with you. I'm thinking about possibly going a little darker with my hair. Now that it is faded a bit. Just like my eyes change color based on what I'm wearing, makeup I'm wearing, hair color. Hair color makes a pretty big difference on me. When I'm blonde, my eyes are more green gray, and when my hair is brown, it seems that they are more blue gray. Well, guess what? I like more blue gray than green gray. So I'm thinking about going a little darker to bring out that more blue gray color. And yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. Any thoughts, any opinions, anybody? Let me know your thoughts. Okay, now we're gonna go in with a small brush. This is an E.L.F. shadow brush, I believe. E.L.F. crease brush that I never use. Well, I guess I do use it in the crease. Anywho's, we're gonna go in with Cozy right there on the outer corner. Just to deepen up the outer corner. You know. Beautiful. A little more. Maybe that is a hair deeper than that. Oh, by the way, I think we're going all matte today. Yeah, we're gonna do all matte look. Okay, so now I'm going to go on the lid, and I'm gonna use my finger for this, because like I say in the past, I just feel like my finger works better for everything. Silky. I'm gonna pop Silky on the lid there. And blend it in with my finger because it works out in matte. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's funny that that's called Silky, but it also feels very silky. That's interesting. Light skin type color. Now we're gonna go blend in this outer corner a little. Not adding any more to the brush, just blending it in to that silky shade on the lid, like so. Then we're gonna go in with the transition shade, and we're actually not gonna dip in anymore, just use it for blending the edges out. Yes. Beautiful. And I don't think I want to do a liner today. I think I'm just gonna keep it liner free. Alright, so now before I add mascara and curl my lashes, I'm going to put on the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer that I'm surprised I still have as much as I have because I use it every day. But anyways, so that has a minute to, like, you know, just soak in to my skin. Should always let your primers soak in for a minute because that's when they're gonna work the best, when they're all nice and soaked in and set per se, you know, when they have a minute to sit on your face. Now we are going to curl lashes and add some mascara. So I learned a trick from watching Emily Noel, who learned this trick from her subscribers, to keep your eyelash curler and mascaras in your bra while you're doing your eye makeup so they warm up and they work better. And I gotta say, that actually works. The only time I do that though is when I plan on curling my lashes and not putting on falsies. But in case you're wondering, it works. So I just curl my lashes, put on a mascara. I'm using 2 different mascaras today because I find that layering these up works pretty well for me. But I always curl my lashes, put on the first mascara, curl them again, and then put on the second mascara. It's because my lashes don't like to stay curled. So the first one I'm going to use is by Believe Beauty. It's the Voluminize. Nothing new, obviously. That's what this video is about. I just love how this separates and coats the lashes so well. So then we are going to curl again. I'm going to use the Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof. Waterproof holds curl, they say. So I do the second layer of mascara with the Lash Paradise Waterproof. They also say it's easier to get off when you first layer a non-waterproof and then a waterproof over it. I find that's actually true. I mean, it's still not like the easiest, but it's definitely easier. Moving on to face. I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Dream BB Fresh BB Beauty Balm. This is what I'm going to use. And I'm going to use my hand to put it on the first layer and then a sponge for the second layer. I actually did this yesterday and I really liked how it turned out, so hoping it turns out the same today because I really liked it. Okay, so first we just do a quick smear job of that, and then I of course wipe my hand off, and then I put some on a beauty sponge. I'm gonna use this in Stylish beauty sponge because I like it. It is not too damp, it's almost dry, but that is okay. And I'm going to use that to dab in some more. Okay, so there is my layer of BB cream. Now I'm gonna go in with my Believe Beauty light medium color correcting concealer under my eye. Instant Age Rewind, all by Maybelline. As you can see, just about out. But we're going to use that to conceal. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this side of the sponge. I don't even know if you could tell, but it was a smaller flat side. Okay, so now I'm going to use a powder. And the powder I'm actually going to use is this powder foundation by Emani. And it is in the shade Linen. Like these. I'm going to use that with a flat top Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to go in and set under the eyes and the whole entire face with it. Okay, so that is the powder that I use. My hair is just being ridiculous today. Okay, so now we're going to go in with some bronzer, and I'm actually going to use my butter bronzer. I'm actually gonna use like it was something I don't use ever. I'm using this smaller brush I use to contour because first I want to kind of contour a little with it and then go in with a bigger brush to bronze. This one. And I go in and bronze. Like so. Now we use a blush. Blush, blush, blush. I'm gonna use my Tarte Feisty. There you go. I love this blush. It's broken, but I mean, just the container's broken. Blush is not. On the chin there. Okay. I'm gonna do my brows now, and then I'll do highlight. So brows, I'm going to use my E.L.F. brow pencil, which I put the lids on wrong. This is in the shade Instant Lift Brow Pencil by E.L.F. in the shade Taupe. That's what I thought it was in, but just wanted to be on the safe side and double check. So I'm gonna pencil in my brows with this because I love this pencil. I love how it makes my brows look. I love the shade of it. It's a cool shade, not a warm shade. I don't like warm brows on me. on other people is cool, but I don't know, I just feel like they look weird on me. I'm a cool brow kind of gal. And there's this one spot I plucked a hair from that I shouldn't have, so there's like this one spot that is like, ugh. So there's the brows. I do not carve them out or anything, it's just, I just don't. Personal preference. Highlight. Word. I'm gonna use the IBY Radiant Glow highlighter in Pink Pearl. This is also broken. As you can see, it's almost gone, so I'm really just trying to kind of use up what's left. Just use a little, just for a subtle glow, not too much. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to spray my face with setting spray, and then we'll do lips. Believe Beauty setting spray. Okay, so now let's do a lip. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment. Ooh. It's pretty much a brownish nude. Lip lines are on. Now we're going to use this Wet n Wild Bare It All lipstick, which is one of my favorite lipsticks to use. Guess what I forgot to do is the bottom lash line, so let's do that. I'm going to go in to, I'm going to use the What's Left on Cozy, the outer corner color. Then I'm going to go into the Attached and squish the brush, run that along, and blend that out with the Transition brush. Brow Lift Liner, the Sorme Brow Lift Pencil. And then I'm going to use the Believe Beauty mascara on the bottom. And voila! There is our full face of nothing new. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button for me. Thank you. And don't forget to tune in for future videos. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.